In my new facial features course, you're going to be learning the anatomy of the facial features. You're going to be doing quick sketch practice, which is going to help you become more confident so that when you come to the full portrait practice, in whatever medium you choose to be working, you'll have a really strong foundation and understanding of the pieces of the face and the way they fit together. This is going to help you be able to achieve a likeness with more reliability. We'll be working on different variations of the facial features. We have 9 amazing muses whose photos we'll be working from. The combination of the anatomical understanding and the quick sketch practice is going to be able to help us gauge proportions without having to use stiff methods of measuring. So the quick sketch practice really helps us to loosen up and bring that kind of life and dynamic feeling to our portraits. And of course, as we're putting the full portraits together, we'll be looking at the proportions, how the different features interrelate, and what makes it all work and hang together in a really dynamic, lively drawing. This course will be giving you the opportunity to understand the face in a way which is going to lead towards making portraits which are enjoyable to draw and enjoyable to look at.